When you do not have a blog idea in your mind, making a review video is the best idea. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first review video on my channel, and today we will be reviewing Mi Notebook Pro, which is a latest offering by Xiaomi. Xiaomi ने इस साल इंडियन मार्केट में दो नए लैपटॉप लॉन्च करे हैं, that is Mi Notebook Pro and Mi Notebook Ultra. And the major difference between the both is Mi Notebook Pro is a 14-inch laptop, whereas the Mi Notebook Ultra is a 15-inch laptop. And अगर इसके वेरिएंट्स के बारे में बात करें कि ये कौन से वेरिएंट्स में इंडियन मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, then we have Mi Notebook Pro available in 8GB and 16GB of RAM with 512GB of NVMe SSD with i5 and i7 of 11th generation Intel Core processor, and same goes with the Mi Notebook Ultra. And the variant that I have right now with me for the review is Mi Notebook Pro 16GB RAM variant with 512GB of NVMe SSD. So to review this laptop, मैंने different pointers बनाए हैं, so let's discuss these pointers one by one. So the first point is build quality, I would say, which is top notch. This laptop has no clumsy feeling. जो इसका हिंज है वो भी एकदम सॉलिड है. You would have noticed in other laptops कि उसका जो हिंज है वो ऐसे झूलता रहता है, but in this case it is very robust. And one of the reasons that it has a great build quality is it is made with 6 series aircraft grade aluminum. And due to its aluminum finish, it only weighs 1.46 kg, which I would say is a light and compact laptop to carry everywhere and anywhere. And also it is just 17.3 mm thin, and weight distribution is such that you can open the lid of the laptop with just one hand. Second point जो मेरे लिस्ट में है वो है इसका कीबोर्ड, which is again outstanding thing. As last year Xiaomi ने जो लैपटॉप लॉन्च किया था उसमें the major thing that was missing was the backlit keyboard, which has been corrected now, as in this laptop the company has given the backlit keyboard जो कि 3 levels पर operate करता है. That is obviously the off level, then the level 1 brightness, then the level 2 brightness. Then the keys also have a very tactile and responsive feedback. The key travel is 1.5 mm, which gives a very good typing experience. Now talking about the keyboard, I have to mention that there is an extra key जो कि है macro key. Yes, now you can customize this key for any particular app, software or command you want from this laptop. By the way, this is not a full size keyboard, that is there is no numpad given in this laptop. And we have integrated fingerprint access inbuilt in the power button itself. So now you don't have to type in your big passwords to get through the laptop. It gets the thing done for you on a touch of a thumb only. The next pointer, that is the third pointer, is its touchpad. Touchpad, which is quite big, which is like 62% bigger than the last year Mi Notebook Horizon edition, with all the Windows precision driver gestures like 2-finger gesture, 3-finger gesture. Yes, we have it all in this laptop. Next point, that is the fourth point, which brings us to the configuration of the laptop. It runs on i5 11th generation Tiger Lake H35 Intel Core processor with Intel Iris Xe graphics, which is an integrated one and not a dedicated graphics. But let me tell you one thing, इसका graphic card is pretty powerful. मैंने इस पे वीडियो एडिटिंग चेक की Filmora 9 पर, तो इसने 10 मिनट का 1080p पर शूट किया हुआ वीडियो 5 to 6 मिनट में एक्सपोर्ट कर दिया. So it's like it gets your job done easily. So the next point, which is one of the main features of this laptop, is its 2.5K QHD resolution. Yes, it has a 2.5 QHD resolution का screen, which gives you immense viewing experience. The display panel is obviously better than the full HD IPS display जो बाकी लैपटॉप्स पर आता है. Here is an example of the viewing experience. Now in point number 6, let's talk about the battery. It has a 65 watt battery which comes with a type C charger, and the company claims कि ये laptop easily 11 hours तक निकाल जाएगा. But if I talk about my personal experience, मुझको 4 से 5 दिन हो गए हैं इस लैपटॉप को यूज़ करते और मुझे सिर्फ 5 से 6 घंटे का बैटरी बैकअप मिला है। बट लेट मी टेल यू, माई यूजेज इंक्लूड्स मीडिया कंजम्पशन एंड मेनली वीडियो एडिटिंग। तो इट्स लाइक थोड़ा अबव मॉडरेट यूजेस आई हैव बीन डूइंग इट। बट अगर आप मॉडरेट यूज़ करेंगे इस लैपटॉप से, सो यू कैन ईजिली गेट 7 to 8 hours of battery life, the 5. But the plus point of this laptop is that it gets charged with a Type-C charger, which is a fast charger. Last but not the least, but ये point ऐसा है which makes this laptop even better than a MacBook. Yes, you heard it right. वो features हैं its connectivity ports. We have almost all the ports needed in a laptop except for a card reader. We have one Type-C, one Thunderbolt port. Both are PD ports, that is power delivery, which make this laptop a future-proof. And your Thunderbolt port पर you can even connect your eGPU or a 4K external screen. There is also one 3.5mm audio jack and two full-size Type A ports and a HDMI port. Now let's talk about some of the drawbacks. Not actually some of the drawbacks. So far, I've only realized that there is only one drawback of this laptop, which is इसका speaker. Speakers are decent but not that loud. Even if अगर आप इसमें music play करते हैं at the maximum sound, still the loudness is not that great. Maybe because of this, the placement of the speakers, which is down-firing, unlike जैसे कि speakers MacBook में होते हैं, which is like next to its keyboard. But I have tried MacBook also. Let me tell you, उसके speakers are best. उसका bass is absolutely awesome. इसमें bass is also missing, I would say.
ये इंडिया का अभी तक का अपनी प्राइस रेंज में बेस्ट लैपटॉप है बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल द फीचर्स दैट यू गेट इन इट। इसके मैकबुक जैसे लुक्स, इसका बेटर रेजोल्यूशन वाला स्क्रीन, अच्छा रैम के ऑप्शंस, बेटर एसएसडी अवेलेबिलिटी एंड अगर आपका भी यूजेज मेरी तरह मीडिया कंजम्पशन, नॉर्मल ऑफिस यूजेज और लाइट वीडियो एडिटिंग, लाइट फोटो एडिटिंग है तो आई कैन अश्योर यू दैट यू कैन ईजिली गो फॉर दिस लैपटॉप एंड यू विल नॉट रिग्रेट इट। एंड रिसेंटली Xiaomi के बहुत से सर्विस सेंटर्स भी खुल चुके हैं काफ़ी सारी सिटीज़ में, सो योर आफ्टर सेल सर्विस इज ऑल्सो कवर्ड वेरी वेल बाय Xiaomi.
And I guarantee you, just like me, you also love this